once we finished, everything hit me all at once. Then it was like, oh my God, the games are over. Oh my God, we actually won. Like, I'm not on this team anymore. It's officially over.
To be the Lindy Barber that you're used to being during the Open. That's the reality that you're looking at before we decide to move forward or not.
That he knew in his head that it was going to work out. So I kind of attacked him, honestly, a little bit. And I was like, I don't understand what's happening.
And she's like, all right, so if we work out for 15 more minutes now, we will have gone for an hour, including the warm-up. And I'm like, what happens to a 30-minute mashup?
And I am a person who, like, I'm gonna be friends with you until I'm not, and I'm gonna trust you until there's a reason why I don't.
You're going to be the fittest person on your team. You're gonna be healthy, you're gonna be able to endure the weekend, you're gonna be able to do everything without having to worry about any kind of pains, aches, or difficulties if you do everything the way that I ask you to do it.
Fully in. It was whatever you want me to do, whatever your advice is. I trust you, I believe in this, I feel better because I followed your advice.
1 round of Cindy, 2 clean and jerks. 1 round of Cindy, 3 clean and jerks. Ascending up until 10 clean and jerks. How'd that go? Ruined myself.
Lead a soccer player, so I ate a lot of ramen noodles, easy mac and cheese with Ritz crackers, and a lot of pretzels with ranch dressing. I've been competing in general in my life, really since I was 5. Really exhausting to keep doing this year after year, and the way that the amount of issues that I had with my back.
Training for the CrossFit Games isn't a year, right? You do it for a year, then you do another year. It's years of just monotonous training every day.
I'm not Lindy Barber, the ex-soccer athlete. I'm not Lindy Barber, the athlete anything. I am Lindy Barber, a confident, strong woman.
So what's the next phase of Lindy CrossFit?
Man, that's a question we've been pondering all day.
This is a deep question.